Hello, sparkly peoples of the interwebs. My name is Ashley and welcome back to my channel, Hello Sparkles. Hey, hi, hello if you're new here. I make vlogs and Halloween related content videos, and I also do crafts, a lot of crafts, mostly craft oriented videos, just anything in between that I find interesting. So stick around, subscribe if you haven't already, or follow me on any of my social media platforms. I will link it all here, and it's all linked down below in my description. So I went today and I was bad. Well, not a horrible, but I probably shouldn't have spent what I spent, but it gave me some great serotonin. So we'll just go with that. I have a store in my town called Dirt Cheap, and I know there's other places, it's either Mississippi or Missouri close to me. I don't normally say this. I don't like to display where I live, but it's also in my description, so if you ever want to send me anything, check down there in my description. But I live in Arkansas, so we have a Dirt Cheap here in Arkansas, in my town, and I went shopping today. I had to go do a couple other errands, and I was like, you know, I'm just gonna go and stop on in here. For some reason, it was just like calling my name, and I'm glad I did, because it was, let's see, three aisles, that's in quotations. It was like long shelves full, and a bin full, and like a middle aisle full of Halloween, and then like 2 clothing racks full of costumes, plus whatever was on the shelves of costumes too. So there's like, I mean, there wasn't a whole lot of costumes on the shelf. There's like mostly wigs and stuff, but costume items, I guess, like not props, wigs, leggings, that kind of thing. So I'm gonna put a little bit of my own disclaimer here. Well, a couple. I am not in any way affiliated with Dirt Cheap. I just love going there because I am a cheap person. Yes. And also, I'm very picky about what I pick up at Dirt Cheap, because I do know that a lot of the stuff has been returned, or it was stuff that just hadn't sold. So I'm really weird about it, because I like to be able to, if I can wipe it down, wash it, all this stuff. I'm a little bit of a germaphobe in that way. Is that weird? I know it's weird. I'm a weird person. Yes, so we're gonna keep going. Most of the stuff I've gotten, I ended up spending $40, and I would have spent in total, had it been full price at the time, probably $40 on like 3 items. I think 3 items at least. I think they're great finds. Are they really? I don't know, but it's kind of stuff I had peeked and saw throughout the, like last year, and I was like, it's not really like worth that much to me, and yada yada yada. But now here at Dirt Cheap, and I got it for like $1, it's worth it. Like I said, I'm a cheap person. Anyway, I want to show you what I got, so let's jump right on into it. I got all of these candles right here. These black candles, and of course I'll do like close-ups on them and stuff. There are some scratches and stuff on them, but I had already planned on recoating them with some paint. But these were originally $3. I got them each for 50. That's really freaking awesome. So each of these were 50 cents. So that is $2 for 4. And I've got some lanterns in there. I'm hoping that I can sit them in there like this. And I've been wanting some of these forever. And they're battery operated. Just 2 AA batteries, which I can get those at like the Dollar Tree or whatever, or the $1.25 tree. Light those up. So hopefully they light up. I didn't test them there because, you can only test so many kind of things at that place. Like, make sure everything's there, which I always feel bad when I open up something. But you have to make sure, because you cannot return any of these things. So once you buy it, that's it. That's final. That's yours. I think those are really cool. $2, 50 cents a piece. Freaking awesome. This was the only one I saw of this. It was originally $5, and I got it for, I think it was $3. I don't know where it came from. I want to say it looks like Target, but I think this was the Target dollar spot. Just this little candelabra. I thought it was pretty cute. $5 for all these candles. That's not freaking bad. And This stuff is hard to find now, so I kind of want to go back and get more. This was $1.20, I want to say. Halloween. The Halloween party starts here. I just thought it was cute. Just a cute little pumpkin. I don't know where it came from. See, sometimes it says and sometimes it doesn't. But by the tag, I think it might be TJ Maxx. I think it's TJ Maxx. I really don't know where this came from. So if you know where this came from, list it down in the comments below. Or if you know where this came from or not. But anyway, I thought it was cute. Just a cute little decoration. Spooktacular. This was, I think, $2 for this one. I saw this for this one. This might be TJ Maxx as well. I really don't know. But I'm reading the tag and it says MMXX and I think that's TJ Maxx. It was originally $4.99 and I got it for $2. So some things were 40% off and some things were 50% off. I tried to figure out which were which because they switched everything on me, but you know, still, I mean, originally being $5 and then I got it for $2. It's not bad. I wanted more wood, these thingies, decorative things for my kitchen, so this is perfect for that. I'm just gonna stick these here. And then I saw this one. I don't know why I just liked it so much because it's a little house. Look at that. It just says Happy Halloween. I just thought it was cute. This one was $1.80. This was originally $3.99. I think that's what it was. $1.80 for this one. Originally $3.99. And again, I think this is TJ Maxx because it says MMX on the back. Or MMXX. I don't know. Again, if you know where this came from, tell me. Like I said, I think these are all stuff from last year. And some of the stuff that I saw there that they had from last year from TJ Maxx, because I know some of it came from TJ Maxx, is at Dirt Cheap, or at least my Dirt Cheap. My camera cut out on me. So the last thing I said, I think, was that there were some things there now at my Dirt Cheap that are currently in stores at TJ Maxx now, if I'm correct. These were $1 a piece and they're just cute little hair ties, and I got 2 of them because then I can have matching, because I like to wear my hair in pigtails right now, or at least this half up pigtails I've got going on here, because I'm an adult. No, I just think it's cute and I like it. Anyway, I got 2 of those, so I had matching ones, and then also my daughter will wear them, I'm sure. I think this is the last sign I got, and I got it for 50 cents, and it just says Haunted House. I thought that would be cute for, again, in my kitchen. These are all, except, well, shoot, I thought I got more. Maybe, no, I held a lot more in my cart and I put them back. But this and this are definitely going in my kitchen. Anything that wasn't marked, I went up there, I said, these aren't marked, and I said, I'm not sure how much they are. Can you tell me? Anything that not marked is 50 cents. And I'm like, oh, heck yeah. So that's why I went back and got more of these, because I only had 2, because I was like, well, the cheapest they'd be would be like $1, and I was like, I could pay $1 for them, but they were 50 cents. Anyway, so that was 50 cents. Heck yeah, okay with me. I don't care. I don't care. It's 50 cents. I'm such a weirdo. So also these, she wrapped them all up for me. It's nice of her to wrap them, or at least attempt to. She was a nice lady. Anyway, I got 3 of these. Well, the 3 separate ones. This one is Spider Venom. This was at the Target dollar spot, 50 cents. I got Night Owl Elixir, See in the Dark, 100% organic. Oh, 50 cents. Toxic Brain Juice, terrifyingly toxic, which is great. Doctor Death Certified. So they're all 3 different, and they're glass. I'm trying to be very careful with them. I can go back because they have tons of these if I break it, which I really don't want to break. But I thought they were cute for my mantle. I kind of have, when I do my mantle, I kind of have like a witchy thing going on. So I'm hoping to keep with that. And I think I might fill those. I've seen people take and fill them and make like glittery looking potions. I think I might do that. I do like these labels, but I know I can take them off eventually if I don't like them and make my own. So 50 cents, not bad for 3. That's $1.50. Heck yeah. Okay, this one here, I'm gonna be kind of careful because there's something on it, which I can wash it. It's like, I think somebody spilled like some oil or something on it. Like not like essential oil. It doesn't smell, but that's what it feels like to me. I'm really hoping that's what it is. I really hope that's what it is. It was originally $10. I got it for $5. Pumpkins. I think it was cute. I'm going to leave it in this bag until I can wash it. So I'm hoping that'll come out. If not, I guess it's going to go in the garbage. It's stuck. I mean, it's $5, but still, it's $5. Again, I'm cheap. Okay, so these next three are my, and they're kind of bigger, so let me get them. Oh, it's so heavy. Okay, so this one is just for under your doormat, and it was originally $6.99 it said. Was it really? I don't know. I don't know where this came from. It looks kind of like Kroger's to me, like the packaging. This you just stick underneath your doormat. You stick this piece. I'm sure people have seen these. You stick this underneath there, and then when anybody steps on it, it's like a sensor plate, and it'll make a noise. And I tested it out in the store, and it works. It's so corny. I love it. I got it for like $3. Or maybe it was $4. It was either 4 or 3. I don't remember. But that was one of my bigger items I got. That was worth more than $1 or 50 cents or $2. I always thought those were kind of cool, like to stick around like the door and stuff. Obviously the door because it's a mat. And I like to scare people. It's so fun. Another item. And it's this fence. And they have these chain links. That'd be cool in front of my door. Originally $10, and I think I got it for $6. I'm hoping it'll be a little bit sturdier. I wish they had more, because I have, in my front door, I only have like this one little walkway. We've got to redo all of it. We just haven't, done it yet. But I have like this, it comes out like, would be like a little L, and I would love to put them there. It would kind of be just neat to me. If not, I'll figure out something else to do with them. But, I kind of want to go back and see if they have another one. I just didn't see them, and I also didn't have a whole lot of time. It was on a time crunch. Originally 10, so can't beat that. And this is my biggest ticketed item and my last and final item. It was originally $15. I got it for $8 or $9. I think it was $8 and then whatever. So still not bad. I mean, I wanted one of these for a while. See, there, it's the stick in the ground one, like the ones you would stick in front of like a tombstone or something. I have been wanting to do tombstones in my yard forever, and hopefully maybe this will be the year. They had another tombstone set up like this. It came with a tombstone and a skeleton, but it was broken. So it's kind of like, I didn't want to pay $12 for it just because it came with a tombstone, and then I saw this one, and it doesn't look like it's broken at all. I don't see any broken pieces. The other one, the jaw was broken off of the thing, which typically wouldn't really matter, but we do have like animals and stuff around here. I don't want them to go and take it and take off with it. See, that's the stick even for the head, which is awesome. So I saw this, grabbed it. It was the only one, and I was like, heck yeah, got to have that. Let's go. Final purchase. I gotta get out of here. But all the stuff that I got, I am so excited. Is it worth $40? Yes. I don't know. So like I said, like if I paid originally 15 and 10, that's 25 plus the blanket. That's 30. Say 2 of these, because this was the sandwiches. Whoops. This was $5 and that was $5. So that would right there, all that would have been 40 alone. So I think I got a good deal. Do you think I did pretty good? Put in the comments below if you think I did a good job on my find. And if not, I don't want to hear it. No, I'm just kidding. Seriously though, let me know what you think was the coolest thing I found at Dirt Cheap today and what the best find was. I love a good deal. Like, I am straight up wait for that clearance to drop on that Halloween. Do the best to get it at the cheapest possible, which I did here. And yeah, which I'm really shocked this came out right before Halloween. It makes me wonder if this stuff just came into stores and they turned it away and sold it. To me, I just think that's what it is. It's stuff that came in late and just didn't get sold, and they were just like, get rid of it. Why they didn't put it out on clearance and I didn't see it, I don't know. Because if I would have saw it, I would have got it. I love Dirt Cheap, but also, like, there's, things that I have to be very careful with. Like, I will show you these here. Oh, you can see those because I was trying to see. Those are originally from Walmart. Still had the clearance sticker on there. And Dirt Cheap was trying to sell them, or at least my Dirt Cheap was trying to sell them. So the clearance price was $1.50 a stick of leaves, right? Dirt Cheap was trying to sell them for $2. So in my brain, why would you leave the sticker on there for one if you're trying to sell it for more than what it was clearanced at? Yes, granted it's clearance, but if you show somebody this is what was clearanced at, and you got it from there, and then you try to sell it for more than that, they were wanting $2 for one stick. It was clearance at $1.50. In my brain, it should have been less. I got them for less. I wasn't a bee about it. I mean, I wasn't. Somebody else was for me, and I was a little taken aback because I was just well, no. I mean, I'm not going to pay more for them because I asked them. I'm like, hey, what are those ringing up as? And I'm like, oh, $2, $2.80 a piece. It was like 2.8 or 2.08, 2.80 or 2.08. I can't quite remember. The numbers were transposed to me, so I don't remember the exact amount. I said, but wait a minute, they're $1.50 on the tag. Why are they ringing it more? And they're like, oh, we don't price match Walmart. I said, I'm not asking you to price match Walmart. You're pricing them more than what they were originally, and to me. And that's where I got confused. And I really wasn't being mean. Or a bee, a bitch. I wasn't trying to be. And somebody for me was like, no, those should be worth 50 cents. And I got 4 of them for 50 cents. So I got 4 leaf things for $2. Do I feel bad about it? A little. But also no. I know they bought those for way less than what they're selling them as. So they're still making a profit off of them. They're not losing anything from me. They make a profit off a lot of things in there. But that's what I said. I love dirt cheap, but you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful, and you gotta look at things and look at original things, because even the tags might say it was something else for the price, and it was not. So just have to be careful. I love it, but I hope you loved my video. I hope you loved all my finds. This is a weird video for me, even though it kind of isn't, and it is. It's a haul without a. It's a Haul-o-ween haul. It's a Haul-o-ween. I don't know. I have no idea where I'm going with this. It's a Haul-o-ween. Haul-o-ween. Oh, wait, or would it be Haul-o-ween for you guys? I don't know because it's backwards for me. It's hard to tell. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to do all the things that I mentioned before. Subscribe, thumbs up, and have a wonderful day. Bye!